Hello guys, this is Blessing Able Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use PhotoRoom to remove your image, and you can still add a lot of effects. Also, you can create a design in PhotoRoom. Okay, let's just open our PhotoRoom. This is my PhotoRoom. Okay, you have to wait until this thing is open. Most of photo room the thing will upload like this, and there is another photo room that is not used to load like this, but you can still get into this level as also. But okay, now let me start from beginning. You can see over here, you can search for any content you want. Okay, you can search for some things here, but it's not everything you search here that it can give you whatever you want. Is not everything that you can get here. There is a lot of things that if you ask, you might not respond. And you can see here is already tell you some templates these photo rooms have. This photo room have color splash, magazine, profile pictures, broadcast, shop, and maybe some cake. It has some of all those things. You can search and you get it. Let me search for magazine, and let's see what is going to give me. You can see, and you can edit all this magazine. You can remove the picture that is there, and you can put your own picture you want there. For instance, this one now you have to wait until these things load. Depend on the network you are using. If you are using good network, the thing will load once and for all. Okay, now the thing is already loaded, and you can see replace over here. Just click here and take any image you want to replace with. Okay, I want this image to be replaced. You can see, then I can adjust that image. You can see now. And maybe you want to edit this text, just edit it. You can edit whatever you want to place there. And also, after you have working finished on all these aspects, you can still come over here, increase the shape, the size of what you place there, or decrease it. Maybe you want to work on the background. You can put this, you can give these things background. Also, you don't want background again, you can remove it and place it wherever you want. Okay, that is about this. Alignment, you can align your work. You want it align like this, like this, like this. You can see how the things is working. That is about this. You can still get more, take time on it, play with it, work playing, and you can change the background to a bit. You can put shadow, and you can increase and decrease the shadow. You can see how it is. You can blur that shadow, blur it. After you click on blur, increase the blur. You can see that this thing is going to blur, and you can change the color of the background you put on the shadow you place there. After you done with it, click done. And this adjustment have a lot of series inside. You can see this opacity, or see whatever you want. Click over here to take it back. That is about it. Once you have finished your work, click up here, and click save to gallery. That is about it. I think this one cannot save. You can, once you save, you can still see it again. You can retouch, you can resave, you can do whatever. On this one too, you can still work on it. That is about all this one. On search on it. Okay, now remove the image. Whatever image you want to remove, just look for that image and click on it. Let me take Baba's image. You can see his image is already removed. And if you want transparency, click on this transparency tools and wait until this thing's finished. And if you want to touch this, if you want to edit it, you can just edit it like. Okay, let's just see how this one is going to work. Click on this person. After you click on the person, you come to the shadow. You can give that image shadow. Come to outline, you can outline this work like this and use it for your work. Reflecting, you can reflect on the image. Adjustments, this adjustment is so crazy. You can increase the light, the blend. Click on the blend, adjust the blend. Also, the blend is also working for the image, but mostly you worked for the object one. You can work on your one too, the one based on the period of the season. And contrast, can work on the contrast as well, saturation, work play on it, and you will get something good on it. Increase this one, decrease. Then shadow, a light, increase it. You can see if you decrease the shadow, just look at it like that. And if you increase your work like this, if you increase the shadow, you can see how it is. You can just play along for you to get it. And if you want to opacity your work, if you want to transparent it, you can still do so. Transform. Okay, transform work on, you can work on your work, you can work on it like this. Also, you can work on it like this. So you can work on it like this. Also, if you want to blur your work, you can blur it. You can see different kind of blur that we have here. You can blur it, and you can unblur. You can give your blur size. You can do so. The filters, you can also change the color of the image through the filters. You can do so. In fact, also you can invert your work like this. You can invert it like this. See? Okay. Retouch. Assuming you want to retouch your work with hand. You can see how it look. Actually, based on how you know how to retouch your work. Actually, that thing is working on it by itself. That is why. Actually, if you don't know how to retouch it with this icon, you can still make it too by duplicate. You can see how good this app it is. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do here. There are a lot of things you can perform based on this one. After you have through with it, just click hitting on this one and click saved, and your work is going to save. You can change the background over here. You can see I pick the background here. You can change the template like this. You can see how it is. You can see it like this. A lot of things you can put there. See how I achieve this one. This app is very crazy. See how it just help you to texture this work. Hey Kai, let me save this one. Okay. Hmm. Okay. You see a lot of things you can do here. The more you work on it, the more you are going to get something big. You can see, you can work, you as a graphic designer, you can just do something like this and place it on your profile. You need these things as a graphic designer. You hear me? Hey, you can see how you can achieve all this. See a lot, lazy a lot. This is profile picture that you're supposed to put on your profile. Actually, I don't use it. But it's good. It's good. See a lot of templates. It's not that you are going to work it by yourself. You can pay to get premium on this. Okay, maybe Baba is doing birthday because I just this one. You say that it's my design. I design for Baba. Yes, do just edit. Put Baba's name there. Put other things you want to place there. You can see how good it is to use PhotoRoom. See, this thing is beautiful. It's beautiful. See this one as well. Okay. Let me just wait until these things load. Okay, it's load. Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Alright. That's about this as well. So you can use this one. You can change the background to just come to this gravis or this gravis. You can change the color, I think. So just play around for you to get more things about this. That is the end of this tutorial. I told you play around, get something big on it, get something great on this, you can work more on it for you to get it well. If you want transparency work, click on the transparency, white, black, or you want this kind of background to be there, just click on any background you want, any template you want. But there's some template that is pro that you have to premium, they are premium that you have to pay. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Reference my YouTube channel for any of your friends. Please, thanks so much for doing this. Thanks.